Okay, so the purpose of this particular close read is to determine how an author uses ethos, logos, and pathos to support his or her claim. So for this particular example, I am using Martin Luther King Jr.'s I Have a Dream speech. And I will model for you my thought process as I close read the first two paragraphs of the speech. So to begin, I am happy, I underline happy, to join you today in what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation. So I went back and I underlined history and history, go down in history, freedom in history, happy, greatest. So the repetition of the words make me focus on them. And I'm thinking that by using these types of words, it's giving me a positive connotation. So since it's a positive feeling, I know it's pathos, since pathos has to do with feelings. Greatest and go down in history, freedom in history. These are huge events since it's pertaining to history. Again, it's feelings of being proud, that it's going down in history. It's about freedom. So pride is what I'm thinking of, which goes along with pathos. The other thing here, when we start with 5 score years ago, I going back in my own brain, a great American, I know that's Abe Lincoln. They're making an allusion there. I know he's very ethical. He helped end slavery. So that brings me to ethos, that they're using him, that Mr. King is using Abe Lincoln to have the reader think about ethics and what's important. And then they talk about his speech. So we're adding some logos that I should relate to here. So the the author here, the claim is that whatever's happening is something positive and that's historical.